her, we used to live in Dubai. That's where we started as a family. That's where my daughter was born. And, for us, living in Dubai, a lot are watching now here are also in the Middle East part. And as all of you know, like when you get old, you have to go back to your own country. And for us, we don't want to do that because nothing is waiting for us in the Philippines, right? We have our family to be like to impose them to take us in. We want to make our own life, and so we decided to come in Canada in 2011, and that was like the recession, during the recession years, and we've been working couple, right? We only want the best for our family, for our daughter especially. And one time it's like I was doing my feeds in my Facebook, and I've seen these feeds and looking at it, and my husband Noel is actually the one who convinced me to actually jump in this opportunity. I've been looking for like 4 months. For 4 months I've been watching the webinar just like this right now. 4 months. And then so Noel said, why you keep watching that? Why don't you want to try? Because anyway, it's like refundable, right? What's $150, right? Consider it just like we went out and ate dinner. So I did. And oh my God, after I paid it $150, it's just like mind blowing. It's like my mind is like, it's different, It's like I was like seeing my future coming live into me, right? And never have I imagined that one. And it's like, so now we know with this business, it's like our future will be secured having this online business. And at the same time, especially now that the situation right now, what's happening, it's the best time for you guys to start this. I only usually spend like 1 hour or 2 hours a day on this business, and it only took me like around almost 2 weeks of training, and I started earning income. It's like on my first week, without even finishing the training, I already started generating income. And after a few weeks and a few months, checks keep on coming in, and Noel is actually the one that's really excited. It's like he's taking his picture and sending it to me, like, hey, you got a check, right? So because I was working, and then he would like check our mailbox, and and he even told me it's not all about the money, guys. It's also, like we said, it's the personal development, it's the mindset. And as I was saying, I wish we found this business before. And I told him, no, it's okay because the business is new. It's only been here for like 3 years. Now 4 years. I said, he came at the right time. I said, because if we managed to look at this one before, we probably were not ready. So, God will always give you something when you're ready. And just also a little bit of background about Noel. He's actually one of the reasons also why I wanted to start a business, because Noel owned a small cleaning company. So he used to work in an office, right, in a logistic company. He had a great work. But, working in an office doesn't mean you're earning a lot, right? He goes to work from like 8 to 4 in the afternoon. So you have to let go of that job and start a cleaning business. The only thing with owning the business is the business owns you. So he didn't have any day off for the last 2.5 years. And then when I started this business, after only a few months, he was able to take a Saturday day off, and I was so happy with that because finally we have our time together. So that's one. And of course, in the long term, we want him to have like more days off, more family time, right? So, and I'm sure that's going to happen really soon. And you know what, guys? Now is the best time to click that 149, see what's inside, because there's a gold mine sitting here that's waiting for you to be unfolded, right? And so it's your life, and we make our own life. We decide our own life. So anyway, thanks for coming in, and have a great day, guys.